a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is sleep. Question number 1. Do you think sleep is important? Sleep is essential for both physical and mental health. It aids in the restoration and repair of your body, and it is necessary for the proper functioning of your brain and your overall well-being. Question number 2. Do you like sleeping during the day? No, I usually get a better night's sleep. During the day, I prefer to be active and productive. Sleeping throughout the day can make me tired and disrupt my normal sleep habits. Question number 3. How many hours do you usually sleep at night? I usually try to sleep for at least 8 hours each night. But if I'm very busy or stressed out, I might only sleep for 6 minutes, 7 hours. Question number 4. What time do you go to bed? Normally, I go to bed between 10 and 11 p.m. Question number 5. Do you go to bed at the same time every day? I make it a point to go to bed at the same time every night, but if I'm working on a project or hanging out with friends, I might end up staying up much later than usual. Question number 6. Do you always have a good sleep? Not always, no. Sometimes it's hard for me to fall asleep, or if I wake up in the middle of the night, I can't go back to sleep. Question number 7. Is it necessary to take a nap every day? No, it's not necessary, but taking a nap can be helpful if you're tired or if you need to make up for lost sleep. Question number 8. What do you do to improve sleeping quality? I try to go to sleep at the same time every night and drink less caffeine in the afternoon. I also try to keep my bedroom dark and cool, and I try not to look at screens before bed. I also use deep breathing and other relaxation techniques to help me calm down and drift off to sleep. Question number 9. Do old people sleep a lot? True, the elderly tend to sleep more than the young. Sleep changes, such as waking up more frequently and having difficulty falling back asleep, are common in the elderly. This is due to maturational changes in the body. The text of all questions and answers is in the description.